This is the Palram Canopia 6x8 greenhouse. After owning it for about a year and a half, I can honestly say I've been extremely happy with it. We purchased this as an upgrade from one of those lightweight plastic greenhouses with the zippered door, and the difference has been huge. My husband handled most of the assembly, and honestly, there wasn't much that gave him trouble. Looking back through my phone, it took a couple of days to get everything fully assembled, but that did include some rain delays and one person doing most of the work. Once the greenhouse was built, I came back and sealed all of the panel seams with clear 100% silicone waterproof sealant where the panels meet the metal frame. I really feel like that extra step has made a big difference in how sturdy this greenhouse has been. And here you can see the adjustable roof vent. It was really easy to install, and after a year and a half, it's still working great. It gives me a simple way to regulate the temperatures without having to leave the door open. We live in an area that gets some very strong winds, and we've never lost a panel. I do think the silicone ceiling helped with that. And we also anchored the greenhouse using heavy-duty metal stakes through the pre-drilled holes in the base frame. And one thing to note is that the base frame sits about 2 inches off the ground, so there is a small lip at the doorway. It's not a problem, but it's just something to be aware of so you don't trip when stepping in and out. And here you can see over the door some of the seams. And then just excuse the area behind the greenhouse. We tend to stash a lot of garden supplies back there. And we did add this edging border to kind of help direct water away from the greenhouse. Overall, the Palram Canopia 6x8 greenhouse has been an excellent investment for us. It's sturdy, durable, provides plenty of growing space, and is held up really beautifully through wind, rain, and daily use. So if you're looking for a greenhouse that's a major step up from the basic plastic models, this one has definitely been worth it for us.